Our first time in Disneyland. We officially made it to Disneyland. This was the first park of all the parks. So we're in OG territory. OG. The Great Pumpkin. Well, you know, it's not the Great Pumpkin, but I'm gonna call it the Great Pumpkin. Oh man. It's pretty, but it's tiny. Keep going. Get out of the way.
Careful of those vehicles coming around the corner, folks.
Oh man. It's so small. It's pretty, but it's definitely small. It doesn't have the same like boom. But that's okay. It's gonna be fine.
Everybody needs to be let off here for Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland.
What are we doing now, Dad?
Lunch at Galactic Grill.
Lunch at Galactic Grill. I've opted for a kid's hamburger and a Darth by chocolate. All right, so we just finished lunch. We're headed to Star Tours. It's weird going to Star Tours and just like seeing the castle and going to Star Tours, I should say. But it's gonna be fun. I really like this ride. So let's do it.
Please, Galactic Security would like to remind you to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages.
We did get a new adventure in Star Tours, and I actually really like that storyline. So I always like writing different things but getting a different version of it. Or writing the same thing but getting a different version, like in the show, or there's multiple storylines in some of the rides, and Star Tours is one of them. So we got a new storyline and same ride concept, but the storyline does make a difference. So their Space Mountain is under refurb, so we can't ride it, and it's sad because it's different, and you can like sit two instead of like one. But it's okay. You can't win them all. But yeah, across the way we got Alien Pizza Planet. I think we have a lightning lane for Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters as well. So hopefully I can kick Dad's butt in that. He always wins. I don't know what it is, but he always wins on that ride. Well, the equivalent in Disney World, so fingers crossed I get to kick his butt.
All right, you Junior Space Rangers, listen up.
Well, I lost, but I filmed a little bit. But I knew I was gonna lose. Good news is, so we're not going to Big Thunder. Change plans. We're going to Haunted Mansion. It also has a holiday overlay of The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I can't wait to see it in person. I've seen some videos, but
I got kind of scared.
as we all know, videos don't do anything justice in Disney World, in Disneyland. Whoa, it's smaller than I thought.
What's the dog though?
Enchanted.
Look over there.
Oh, that is cute. How do you get there? Oh. Look at Prince Philip down there. to meet and greet. He's right there. It is cool. Buddy, look! Tiana's palace. Yeah, look. The sign. Tiana's palace. Buddy's gonna go in the Haunted Mansion. Dad's gonna go in the Haunted Mansion.
Quickly towards me. All the way forward.
Was a long time ago, longer now. Morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
Buddy?
That was very good. One thing we should buy. Hold on, Dad. Hold on.
That was like not even an overlay of Haunted Mansion. If you didn't know what was really inside the Haunted Mansion, you would assume it was that. Everything turned into Nightmare Before Christmas, and it was freaking amazing. Like, it wasn't just like some here and there things, it's everything was Nightmare Before Christmas. It was super awesome, and Florida should do it, but they don't. Yeah, 20 out of 10.
Well, you want to try right now too? No.
10 minutes?
You want to do it?
I don't care. Is it really 10 minutes? Oh, there's the honey pots. If you want.
I mean, it's 10 minutes, right?
It's 10 minutes.
Hey, 10 minutes.
It's great.
Crazy.
It was so crazy. Like, that's probably like
Besides like the way it was, it didn't feel like a Haunted Mansion.
it was so crazy. I think it's my favorite thing that I've done since I've been here. So, 20 out of 10. We're in line to do Winnie the Pooh. It's like 5-10 minute wait. But yeah, Jordan's Genie Plusing everything.
Buzz on through, watch your step.
The names?
Yeah, all these little honey pots have
Oh.
Emma.
Shenanigans.
shenanigans.
Shenanigans. All right, Keglies. Oh, it's been a long time since we've been in a honey pot together. I think Buddy was 4.
Well, no, you've been in one the other, the last year. We broke it once.
Oh.
One day.
Last year?
Blustery day.
We are on our way to Big Thunder, the wildest ride in the wilderness.
The wildest ride in the wilderness.
It is a roller coaster. It thrashes you around. It's great. And no way I can film on this without losing a camera, so. The theming is basically like an old mine, basically. It's super fun. You ready? Wildest ride in the wilderness?
Yes.
I don't even know if it says it on the West Coast, but we're gonna find out. Dad working his magic. I think he's gonna need the power bank. Alright, so we're about to board this. Buddy, you excited?
Looks different.
It does.
Same train to me.
Buddy didn't want to ride with me.
Oh, it's the second bottle.
We are officially in Batu, and it's very weird to go from a Magic Kingdom ride to a Hollywood Studios land, but we're gonna wrap our brain around it and just accomplish it. We're gonna go ride Millennium Falcon,
Smuggler's Run.
Smuggler's Run, and again, we don't have a plan, so I don't know what we're doing after that.
Okay, are we gonna do like a little...
It's
Well, it'd probably be tomorrow unless
Let's go from somewhere. No, haven't been to somewhere this super simple.
why are you putting me in the shop for?
because you're walking on Galaxy or on Millennium Falcon. Smuggler's Run.
Smuggler's Run. We're doing it.
Now, that's the thrust vectors. Activate turbo pump.
But he's not gonna be the pilot.
Oh, that's not. That's the thrust vectors again. Okay.
You know the province. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, you might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. I will be coming along with you.
Buddy. You better shoot everything.
I will.
We're counting on you. No pressure.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, buddy, shoot everything. I mean, yeah.
Alright, let's get those back up.
Like a porg.
Man, we had crazy pilots.
We did have some crazy pilots. They ran into everything. They did run into everything. Alright, so I think we're headed for our last ride of the day, which is Indiana Jones. We've done a lot today.
Oh, I forgot a actual line up show.
We're getting a little tired. Yeah, Indiana Jones, and I think that's it unless we can like miraculously get something else. Watch out, babe. Watch out, babe. Babe, scoot to the left. To the left.
Watch out, Dave.
I know. He's about to run into him. Huh? Hey, what? Come back? Peter Pan. Snow White's Enchanted Wish. 30 minutes. Adventureland. Find anything at any point. Thank you for coming along with us of day 2 at Disneyland. We did Disneyland and California Adventure. We did 7 rides at each park, which was a great day. Currently it is 8:05 and over at Disneyland there's still 80-minute wait times for things, and that's insane to me. But we did get a lot done. Buddy, are you having a good time?
Yes.
He said yes, if you can't hear him. Jordan, do you think we had a productive day?
I think so.
So tomorrow is another day at Disneyland, and we may park hop to California Adventure. But yeah, so if you all have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you've been to Disneyland, let me know what your favorite ride is, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.